Kids' playtime ended in a haircut disaster? We have a perfect DIY solution for you. Beast Clipper, your secret to haircut at home with ergonomic design. You can give haircut to anyone. This beast delivers 90 haircuts with one blade. It's easy, it's quick. It's super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Prepare the hair. Remove the duo clip and use the right comb attachment. Start with the longer guard, gradually moving towards the shorter one. Move the clipper gently. And follow the natural curve of the head on the sides. Switch between the comb attachments to maintain the flow. Super easy to trim on sides and even behind the ears. Smooth sailing all the way. Blend and refine the hair on the top. Give the final sharp edges. Skip the run to salons with the Beast Clipper. Give haircuts at home in just 5 minutes. Order your Beast Clipper today.